If you're a small channel looking to grow really fast and monetize your channel in the next 2 months, then come closer because this video is for you. In this video, I want to show you 3 premium secrets small channels are using to blow up right now. I am confident that this will work for you because one of my students used it to move from 300 subscribers to over 1,200 subscribers in just 3 weeks. So if you apply what I'm about to share with you in this video, you are definitely going to see tremendous results in the next 2 months. You can see how excited I am, and that's because I am very sure that this will work for you. The first secret is one powerful hack small channels are using to outrank big creators in their niche. When you apply this hack I'm about to show you, you'll start ranking #1 on YouTube. Even if you have only 50 subscribers right now, you will start outranking those channels with 1 million subscribers, 1 million views on their videos. It's powerful. The second secret is a customization secret that the moment you apply it, you start converting visitors to views, from views to subscribers. This works all the time. I actually used it when I started my channel. That helped me get to this stage right now. Now, the third secret is an optimization secret. And this one is designed to help you get YouTube algorithm to recognize your channel and start recommending your videos. Start pushing your videos to your target audience. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka, and on this channel, I help you grow and monetize your channel, sharing all the secrets, tips, and hacks that will help you get more subscribers, more watch hours, and get monetized really fast. So if this is the kind of thing you love, go on and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming videos, because I have a lot in store for you. So the first secret is a powerful hack small channels use to grab attention of YouTube algorithm and start ranking #1 on YouTube. I mean, they start outranking big creators with millions of subscribers. Now, I can't believe I'm sharing this with you in a free video. But then let's get into it. The first secret is channel name optimization hack. This particular hack will help you rank #1 in your niche. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, even if you have only 100 subscribers. With this hack, you will start ranking top of the page when people search the thing you do. So I'm going to explain what it is, and then I will show you proof that this works. So YouTube channel name optimization hack is using the most searched keyword in your niche, adding it to your YouTube channel name. So when people search that keyword, even though you have only 100 subscribers, you will be one of the first people they will see. So if you are a small channel, you started not long ago, you agree with me that the competition is already high. So for you to be seen, it's going to take a lot of work, a lot of consistency, a lot of years of content creation. But when you apply this hack, you will start ranking #1. If I start a channel right now, I am not going to name that channel my name. No, I am actually going to look for the most searched keyword in my niche, and then I will add it. Say, for example, I want to create a channel on food and cooking. And by the way, I love using this example all the time. So if I create a new YouTube channel right now and I want to do a lot of cooking and eating, I am not just going to name it Chiamaka Okoli. No. So I'm going to look for keyword that is most searched in my niche. Say, for example, jollof rice. So I'm going to add jollof rice to my name. I'm going to name the channel Cook Jollof Rice with Chiamaka. Just something like that. I just want to make sure that jollof rice appears in the channel's name. So when people come on YouTube and search jollof rice, guess what they will see? My channel will actually be one of the first things they see, even before they start seeing those videos with millions of views on jollof rice. Let's use weight loss as example. Let me show you a smart channel that applied this hack and how this particular hack has helped this channel to rank top of the page. I'm going to go on YouTube and search weight loss and then click on enter. Guys, have a look at this. The moment you open this, what are we looking at here? Weight loss with Natasha. This is a YouTube channel. So if you look at this, this is not a video. You just need to click on here and you're getting subscribers. You can see these are viral videos. Yet this channel ranked top of the page just because she applied this hack. So if you are starting a YouTube channel right now, no matter the niche you're playing in, think of most searched keywords in your niche and add it to your name. Say, for example, your channel is about beauty and makeup. Don't name your channel Kate Johnson. Add the most searched keywords. For example, makeup with Kate. If your channel is about food and cooking, you can name your channel Jollof Rice with Johnson. If your channel is about movie recap, you can name it Bosco Movie Recap. Just make sure that the most searched keyword in your niche appears on your name. This way, you are able to rank top of the page. This brings us to the second premium hack. This hack will help you hook in your audience, convert visitors' views from views to subscribers. It is just that simple yet very powerful. And this is channel layout. So what this hack does is to organize your channel in orderly manner, and beyond that, help YouTube algorithm to recommend your best performing videos, to recommend your most recent videos. So this is YouTube customization and layout hack. When you get this done, you are going to help people who've come on your channel to watch your videos and even subscribe. Beyond that, it helps YouTube algorithm to recommend your most recent videos. These are videos that are much better than your older videos. So to do that, head over to your YouTube dashboard. When you come over here, go on and click on this option that says customization, and then click on Home tab. Now you are going to make sure you activate this button here. So toggle this button on and click on Add Sections. If you've not added these sections yet, go on and add them. Channel trailer, spotlight for you. You can see that they are not clickable because I've activated them. With this, you're going to arrange your channel. The layout will look so good. Beyond that, I want to show you how to help YouTube algorithm to recommend your most recent videos. So that is for you. Now you're going to scroll down to this place where it says for you, and then go on and click on more settings. Once it opens, I need you to come over here. See what it says here, what to include in the for you section. This section is very powerful. You have content type, you have videos. I want you to go on and toggle this button off, and then even this one, live stream, let it be only YouTube videos, long videos that will be recommended. Then you scroll down here. Can you see this recency? This all content recommended? No, don't select this option, because when you do that, you are giving YouTube permission to recommend even your older videos, the videos you made 4 years ago, 6 years ago that are not good. So you're going to come over here and click on this one that says recent content only, and then you click on done. Then go on and click on publish. When you do this, YouTube will start recommending only your most recent videos, which are better. I mean, the quality and everything about the video is better and good enough to convert anyone that comes in contact with these videos to subscribe to your channel. This is very important, because if you don't do that, YouTube might be recommending your older videos that are not really good, and that will drive away possible subscribers. That brings us to the third powerful secret you need to apply right now to help you get more views, and that is optimization secret. So optimization is the only way to get YouTube algorithm to notice your channel and start recommending your videos to your target audience. I mean, start pushing your videos for many people to see it. And this is where a lot of small creators miss it. When you don't optimize your videos the right way, when you don't optimize your channel the right way, it is difficult to get YouTube algorithm to see you and your videos. So there are 3 key places you're going to go right now to optimize your channel. The first one is channel keywords. So this one I'm looking at right now. You're going to go on and gather all relevant keywords in your niche and put them all here, because this is where YouTube goes to get the keywords to rank your channel, your videos for. Make sure that all the keywords that are most searched in your niche are contained here. To even make it better, include names of big creators in your niche. This will tap into their traffic. So when people use their names, you will be recommended. Now, the second place you're going to go for the optimization is the description section. This particular section does 2 things. First, it helps YouTube algorithm to pick even more keywords with which to rank your videos and your channel. But most importantly, it helps your audience knowing who you are, what you do, and whether or not to subscribe to your channel. When you optimize the channel description so well, you are going to get a lot of people subscribe to your channel. So as a small creator, you need to go to the back end of your channel right now and check if the description section of your channel is well optimized, and use those keywords. Now, the third secret is playlist optimization. Are you aware that you can actually name your playlist the right keywords, and then with those keywords, you'll rank the playlist? Yes. So big creators actually ranked their playlist by using relevant keywords in those playlists. If you've not done it yet, go back now and optimize your playlist. This way, you'll be able to get more views, just because you added those relevant keywords in the playlist name. Let me know in the comment section which of these ones are you currently using, which one are you going to apply immediately. Go on and do them right now because they will help you get more views and grow your channel really fast. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next video.